Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to just boil chicken, a basic recipe of how to do this. A lot of people don't know how to just boil chicken, and I'm going to be using this for future recipes, so make sure you check this out. Today I'm going to show you how to cook some basic chicken. So I got right here a really good chicken. Foster Farms is one of my favorites. And this is range-free, 100% vegetarian fed, which is awesome, no antibiotics. So we're going to open it up and we are going to rinse the chicken. I'm going to put this on coals. We're going to put it on coals and I'm going to get it. I'm actually going to put this right here. Rinse it. Do you see how I'm rinsing the chicken? I'll actually put it over this just for now. And then I'm going to put it in the strainer and we're going to get each little thigh and do this. I'm going to move this a little closer. And then there. We're just rinsing with cold water. Just rinsing. I want to leave the skin on because it gives it a lot of flavor. And so basically you're just rinsing with cold water. I'm going to set that there. Of course, you always wash your hands, and I'm going to turn it to hot so I can make sure that my hands get really clean. After touching chicken, you have to wash your hands. So we're going to do that and dry my hands. The next thing we're going to do is get cold. We're going to get some water and we're going to just toss this into this little pan I have here. We're going to fill it up pretty high. We're going to fill it up about right almost to the top because I don't want to run out of water. So we got it almost to the top, about almost there. And we're going to put the stove on quickly on a high for now. We're going to put a half a teaspoon of salt, a fourth teaspoon of pepper, and then just a couple of dashes of garlic salt, Lawry's garlic salt. And that is it. Now when you're going to let it boil, when it comes to boiling, then we're going to simmer it for 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, so it's boiling at a full boil. I lowered it just a tiny bit. We had it on high. I just want to show you something that I do. It's gonna foam up some of this little, I don't know. Anyway, I skim it off. So you can just go ahead and get a spoon like this, how I'm doing, and skim some of this foam that shows up here, and skim it off just a little bit, the best you can. And I have to tell you also, if you do not want to touch the chicken with your hands, go ahead and invest in some kitchen gloves, and then you could just take them right off, you know, and just throw them away. So I skimmed most of this off. There's just a little bit left, which is fine. So now what I'm going to do is it's at a rapid boil. See how it's boiling? And we've got like four thighs in here, which is a small batch. I'm going to lower it to a low, and then I'm going to put the lid on, and we'll be back in 25 minutes. It's 25 minutes, and I want to check to see if it's done. It looks done. You want to just be able to get it poked right through. I am actually going to bring this right over here, maybe right here so you can see. If you want to be technical about it, we're going to use this meat thermometer. We are going to take it out right here, put it in this little glass. I love putting my chicken in glass rather than plastic. And we're going to let this rest here. So I took the chicken out, and we need to let this come to room temperature. So I'm going to let it sit out for about 30-35 minutes to cool down. Then after it's cooled down 35 minutes, I'm going to put the lid on and then put it in the refrigerator. You have to refrigerate this, and then I'll show you what we're going to use it for. You can use this chicken for anything, like shredded chicken tacos. I mean, there's endless ways, but I'll be back. So I boiled the chicken and it was cooled off in the refrigerator. I pulled it out, and I'm going to show you how to debone this. And this you can use for a lot of different recipes. I'm going to use this for a recipe that will be on a link below if you'd like to check it out. It's going to be chicken tacos. but you can use this for like enchiladas. You can use this for chicken salad. You can use, oh, there's a lot of things you can use this for. But this is just your basic, you know, I boiled it, I'm deboning it, and I got 2 thighs here. I boiled 4, but I had used 2 for something else. But this is probably going to give you a good, maybe cup and a half, and this is perfect for what I'm going to use. You can make small recipes, like maybe this might make 3 tacos here if you're needing to make something really quick for yourself for lunch. And I will be back. And I have to tell you that there is going to be some fat and some like rubbery pieces. Like I would want to take those out. You want to take those out. You know, the rubbery, this little rubber skin, you can just take it out. And I'm just about done. And I have to tell you that you have to wash your hands very well with soapy hot water, because, you know, chicken can contaminate, you know, other things. And so I'm going to go wash my hands and I will be back. So we're all done here, and I hope you loved this quick little show how to boil chicken and how to shred it. And you can use this for many things for the future in your recipes. And make sure you click my links, because I'll be cooking a lot of stuff with this chicken. The scripture of the day is Ephesians 4:31. Get rid of all bitterness, rage, anger, harsh words, and slander, as well as all types of evil behavior. Instead, be kind to each other. Love one another tenderheartedly, forgiving one another, just as God, through Christ, has forgiven you. Just make sure that you're kind and tenderhearted and forgiving each other, just as God has forgiven us. I want to thank you so much for spending time on the show today, and make sure you come back, subscribe, and tell friends and family to come back and watch this show.